Hey guys, welcome back to English2Flow.
Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well.
Today is part 2 of our Wake Up Early topic.
Yes, and today is not just learning,
Today is about life.
a story that feels real.
Maybe you will see yourself in this story
So listen carefully.
and feel it.
Part 1. Meet Samir. A normal life.
This is the story of a boy named Samir.
Samir, just a normal guy.
He lives a simple life.
Not rich, not poor.
He has dreams.
Like everyone.
He wants success.
He wants respect.
And yes, he wants to speak English confidently.
That is a big goal for him.
But there is one problem.
Always one problem.
Samir cannot control his habits.
Especially night habits.
Let's see his night.
Okay.
It is 10 p.m.
Good time to sleep.
Samir says,
I will sleep early today.
"Sounds perfect." Then he picks his phone.
Dangerous start.
One video, then another.
Then reels, then random videos,
Time passes slowly.
but actually very fast.
Suddenly, it is 12 a.m.
Then 1 a.m.,
Samir says,
just one more video. Famous last words.
finally, he sleeps at 1:30 a.m.
That is very late.
Now morning comes.
Morning rings.
6 a.m.
Nice time.
But Samir is tired.
Very tired.
He opens one eye
Looks at alarm.
and says,
5 more minutes. That 5 minutes becomes 1 hour.
then 7, then 8.
Finally wakes up at 8:30.
He feels heavy.
Lazy, slow, low energy.
His day already feels bad.
What does he feel inside?
He feels guilty
Why?
because he knows.
He is wasting time.
He says,
I want to change, but I can't. That hurts.
every night he promises,
Tomorrow I will wake up early.
but every morning,
Same result.
same failure.
One day, something serious happened.
What?
Samir had an important online interview.
Big opportunity.
He set alarm.
Good step. But night,
Same story.
yes.
Phone again.
He slept late.
And morning?
He missed the interview.
Oh, that is painful.
Very painful.
What did he do?
He sat silently,
No phone, no sound.
just thinking.
Deep thinking.
He asked himself,
What am I doing with my life? Strong question.
why do I waste my time?
Truth hurts.
I had a chance.
And I lost it. That moment changes people.
Tears came in his eyes,
Emotional moment.
not because of failure.
But because of his own habits.
That day, Samir made a real decision,
Not emotional.
but serious.
What did he say?
No more excuses.
No more wasting nights.
Strong lines. He didn't say big goals.
Good.
He said,
I will start small.
small steps.
What steps did he take?
First, he reduced phone time at night.
Hard, but important.
Second, he slept 30 minutes early.
Small change.
Third, he kept alarm far from bed.
Smart trick.
Fourth, he woke up just 20 minutes early.
Not too much pressure.
Yes, no stress.
Struggle continues. Real life.
Was it easy?
No.
Did he fail again?
Yes, many times.
That is real.
Some days he woke up late.
Some days he gave up.
But the difference was,
He came back.
again and again.
That is discipline.
Change begins. Life transformation.
After a few weeks,
He started waking earlier.
after a month,
He felt more active.
after 3 months,
His full routine changed.
morning became his power time.
That is amazing.
English learning impact. Samir used morning for English.
Smart choice.
He listened daily.
Good habit.
He spoke simple sentences.
Practice matters.
He thought in English.
Brain training.
Slowly, he improved. Emotional growth. But biggest change was inside.
Inside?
Yes, mindset.
Tell me.
He started believing in himself.
That is powerful.
He respected time.
And respected life.
That is real success.
Deep message.
Strong ending.
So, what is the lesson?
Simple.
Change your night.
Control your phone.
Win your morning.
Change your life.
That is powerful.
Final emotional closing.
You are Samir.
Your story is same.
You also delay.
You also waste time.
But you can change.
Starting today.
Not tomorrow.
Because tomorrow never comes.
Homework. Deep engagement. Write in comments.
I will wake up early.
Your target time. 3 simple English sentences. Example.
I will wake up early.
I will improve my life.
I will learn English daily.
Keep it simple.
Keep improving.
Keep learning with English2Flow.
See you next episode.
Bye.
Bye, guys.